Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be sharing with you the best 5 tools that every affiliate and online marketer needs in order to increase revenue while still saving a lot of money. As a beginner in affiliate marketing, you don't want to splash all your capital and all your cash on every paid tool that you see on the internet. So that's why I create videos like this to help you spend less and get the best for free. So without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. And to begin this video, we have Funnelytics. Funnelytics is a funnel mapping software that uses a drag and drop builder to help you lay out your sales funnel. From your traffic source to your thank you page, and as well as your opt-in, sales page, upsell, and order spike in between, everything can be planned in Funnelytics. After your goal is established, you can include forecasting to your funnel and to attempt to foresee how it will function. You can get a decent idea of the potential income your funnel might earn you by putting in a dollar amount on every conversion stage and simulating visitors. Funnelytics has a role in every business, company, and brand, whether you're a small business owner, solo entrepreneur, or an agency. The intuitive drag and drop mapping tool allows you to quickly come up with funnel ideas, and with a few clicks it allows you to modify your funnel, and if you have any error or you want to add in any steps, Funnelytics allows you to do all this. Furthermore, this cloud-based software can work anywhere so far you have an internet connection and a computer, so that you don't lose your plans and your works. Although this software is not yet mobile friendly, but it's still good enough if you want to use it only on your PC. This tool also offers unmatched metrics. No more assuming that your customers and other partners would understand the value of your funnel and how it's delivering by just looking at a Google Analytics figure. With Funnelytics, conversion rates and KPI are instantly available, and you can visually observe the movement of the traffic on the software. To demonstrate to people that you mean business and you know how to demonstrate a return of your efforts, you need Funnelytics. So as an agency, this is a really great tool if you're working with a lot of clients that want to see results and wants to actually see it visually. So Funnelytics will help you portray your point easily. And with Funnelytics, you can start with a free account right now. So give Funnelytics a try, and now let's move on to the next two. Next on the list, we have BeMob. BeMob is without doubt one of the greatest ad tracking platform available. Affiliate marketers and online marketers can easily assess their advertising with BeMob, thanks to the varieties of useful features such as the tracking of numbers of clicks an ad has received, or determining the kind of traffic and where it's coming from. Additionally, BeMob offers you access to the most recent advertising formats, ensuring that your marketing solutions always reflect the most recent developments in marketing. BeMob handles everything on your behalf. This tool can also be used automatically to manage your advertising budget and track its performance in order to increase sales. They provide the greatest service and assistance available, along with safe tracking of your business and brand. They offer SSL security for each link and domain that you can use to escape Google, Safari, and other browser limitations. Using their sophisticated trackers, which offers more than 30 specific parameters per account, it makes setting up events very simple. Once set up, you can keep an eye on conversions as they happen. You can quickly and simply connect BeMob to any platform by using its API. You can automate daily tasks with its all-in-one affiliate marketing tracking dashboard. And you also receive alerts and notifications when certain procedures are finished, in order not to miss anything crucial, and the system closely monitors how everything happens. Businesses also benefit from their multilingual UI and supports, and can better grasp how the company and business interact with other businesses on the network. One of the best options for you in affiliate marketing is BeMob. They provide a huge data of metrics for you to work with, and they also provide sophisticated traffic allocation and targeting, smooth redirection, and variety of traffic control tools. So for all your link tracking needs, BeMob is one of the best free options for you out there. So give it a try, and now let's move on to the next two. Next, we have Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is an SEO software and keyword tool that was developed by Neil Patel. The software extensive library of suggested keywords and content can help you and your company and your business, your brand, your agency rank higher in the search engine. You can monitor both your website performance and that of your competitors while giving updates on how well your site is performing in terms of SEO. However, this is only the start to the capabilities that you get from this software. The SEO tool also includes a ton of useful tools and features that are meant to offer you an advantage over your rivals. When utilizing Ubersuggest, you should complete the information on the user dashboard first. Next, you will add numerous websites, organic keywords, and projects to the dashboard based on your goals. So you can choose how many keywords you wish to track after entering the website URL. Next, link your account to your Google Search Console and you can track the developments and the gained insights because of this. Additionally, a search engine optimization score is being given to you and an explanation on how to solve the SEO problem will be given to you. Detailed information about the projects you have submitted into the dashboard will be shown in the ranking monitor. Additionally, you will receive updates on the term you follow and statistics in the form of charts that demonstrates whether your ranking has increased or decreased. You can monitor by country, dates, range, and edit and add keywords and also export data as CSV files. The comprehensive page for keywords and projects you have placed in the software would help you in your search and rank tracking. So if you're still looking for an SEO tool that you can use completely for free, then give Ubersuggest a try. Though it has a premium plan, but you can also use it for free. If you're still watching this video up to this point, it means that you're actually enjoying this video, and if you are, please kindly hit that like button and tell me in the comment section below what type of tool you need. Just give me any vague description and I would like to create a video on whatever you give me. So leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's continue with the video. Next, we have Inkforall. Businesses and marketers can use AI writers to make their content more convincing in order to attract their target audience. Inkforall, also known as Ink, is an AI writing tool that enables companies and marketers to update their sales, marketing, and advertising copy. You can receive copywriting help from an AI and also get those written copies and content reviewed for SEO optimized purpose. Ink is a wonderful AI tool that is well known for its SEO curated content and copies, and it's also loaded with resources that marketers can employ. Ink has some features that makes it stand out even as an AI tool. It has a dedicated tool for AI writing content and AI written content and copies for website, sales page, PPC, ad headline, item descriptions, email, and startup kits. You can also rewrite and grammar check your written content and copies. You also have the ability to curate the content and copies for your SEO needs, and it also provides templates for business writing, email, startups, and marketing needs. Ink is a good AI writer, especially for anyone who's on a tight budget. It's excellent if you want to write the text for your product description and social media ad campaign. Ink can still simplify your life and relieving you of the burden of creating campaign texts and campaign copies, marketing copies, email newsletters, and lots more. Ink gives you 5,000 AI words for free every month. For an affiliate marketer, this AI copywriter is a gem because most of the AI writing tools I've talked about on this channel, most of them don't give you up to 5,000 AI words. Most of them just give you 5,000 characters, not words. So Ink is a very great tool for marketers and businesses. So if you want to use it for free, you can still use it for free. And once you want to upgrade, it's all up to you. So now let's move on to the next and final tool. And lastly, we have Systeme.io. Systeme.io is a one-stop destination for all things that you need and require to manage your online business. A sales funnel builder, an email campaign manager, and an option to develop your own affiliate program and also marketing tactics. The ability to configure marketing automation rules across your digital marketing channels and many more capabilities are all available with Systeme.io. Systeme eliminates a large portion of the learning curve, making it an ideal tool for newcomers and also beginners. It has a single interface where you can quickly and easily control everything. There is no denying Systeme.io is worthwhile for anyone who's trying to operate a successful business online without breaking the banks, because you are receiving everything for a portion of the costs you would generally spend for this kind of tool. Anyone looking to operate a successful online business without paying for hundreds of various tools that are necessary, then you should check out Systeme.io. It is perfect for new bloggers, marketers, and online business owners, small business owners, brands, and agencies. Systeme.io provides you with the ability to create sales funnels, email marketing campaigns, online seminars, webinars, blogs, and also it allows you to integrate with an e-commerce store. Also allows you to develop a custom affiliate program. A/B testing is possible with Systeme.io, and you can also automate your business with it, and much more. Systeme.io is a multipurpose software that combines with a variety of functionality into a simple user interface. You won't find any unnecessary fluff on this platform, because every element and everything on this website is important to the process of operating a successful online business. Any marketer will be able to attest to how challenging it is to create a successful sales funnel. There are pre-built pages that have been skillfully created to increase conversion, to help you sell more products with less work. And it also makes it simple to create sales funnels for your own business, company, brand. Whether you are selling a real or digital product, you'll be able to manage everything with Systeme.io. Without having to make any educated guesses, you can use the templates to create appealing and expert landing pages and also sales pages. Alternatively, you can even walk your customers through a longer process by including more phases in the funnel with the platform funnel builder, or without the use of any other additional software. All this could be finished in a matter of minutes because of its user-friendly editor and drag and drop interface. So you can use Systeme.io completely for free without paying a dime upfront. So once you want to upgrade to the next level, once you've gotten enough customer and clients to be able to build on, you can choose to upgrade. But for a beginner marketer and a beginner business, using it for free right now is the best option for you for creating your sales funnel. And it also works well with Funnelytics. So once you create your funnel with Systeme.io, you can use Funnelytics to visualize how everything is going to go down. Now that we've come to the end of this video, please do give me your opinion on these affiliate marketing tools I've talked about, and tell me which one you're more likely to use in the comment section below. Like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more contents like this. And if you do choose to subscribe, please do also hit that notification bell to always get updates on my new videos. So as a beginner digital marketer and affiliate marketer, you've been looking for a free email marketing tool to use to gather up and make your own email list, then check out this video on the best 5 free email marketing tools that you should be using in 2022. So I want to hear more of your thoughts so that I can create more content that's more tailored to your need. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.